Hi, I'm Elaine from Gorgeous Gardens, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sow some easy salad leaves. And I've got some tips and tricks on how to make the process simpler. Everything that you'll need for the tutorial will be coming up next, and it's also in the description below, so you've got everything you need. As always, we need to make sure we read the guidelines on the back of the seed packet, so we're following what the instructions say. And the ones I've got here are red and green salad bowl leaves, so I'm going to show you those. You'll need a shallow seed tray that doesn't have any holes in the bottom. This makes the seeds germinate a bit quicker, I find. So we want to fill our seed tray with some compost, and as fine a compost as you can get really when you're sowing seeds. You don't want great big lumps in there. Potting compost or good quality multi-purpose will be fine. Just make sure you remove any of the larger lumps that might be on the top, and we want to give it a quick water before we sow our seeds. So my simple trick is to take a sticky note. You can use sellotape if you don't have any of these, but I find these are easier because you've got more surface area to hold. Just gently tap the seeds onto the sticky note, and they don't come off. Sprinkling the seeds onto the sticky pad means that we can now place our seeds where we want them on the compost. Otherwise, if you scatter them, we end up having to lose a lot of seeds because we need to thin them, or they're too many together and they don't germinate. So this tip saves time and money, and it's really fun. Holding your sticky note over the compost where you want to sow your seeds with your cocktail stick, just gently brush the little seeds where you want them. Then taking the flat end of the cocktail stick, you can just go over where you've sown the seeds and just gently nudge them into the compost. You don't want to press them down too far, but just help them germinate. So our salad seeds are sown now, and I can't wait for them to germinate. The best place to put them is either on a windowsill, or if you've got a greenhouse, that's even better, somewhere nice and warm. Keep them regularly watered and just keep checking on them, and I'll check in back with you and see how they're doing. I really hope you've enjoyed my tutorial today. If you have, why not subscribe to my channel? All you've got to do is click on the subscribe button below.